Hi guys, and I am here with my bro. Don't destroy that. That's glass.
Yeah, I wanted some.
He's new. You don't get it. Come on, we'll go and get some wood. He's new. I'm gonna lag a bit too. With my bro, Cursor 21. That's his name. Don't hit me.
Getting some wood, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm lagging, so I won't be able to do much, okay? I want someone to tell me how to fix it.
It's not raining.
You hold it.
You're getting wood.
See, he's new.
How do I collect the brick?
Walk over there.
Wait, can we make something here?
Oh, what we need to do is make a garden.
Like doing the job?
Yeah. You have to kill the trees fully. Kill the trees fully, get all of its wood.
Oh yeah.
What about that tree? It's not dying.
I'm doing all this stuff. That tree there. What tree?
This tree right here.
That one there.
Yes, the one that you tried to kill before. See the wood up there?
I can't get up there.
Oh my god. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, so he's new and
Make me one.
no, that's on creative mode. That's cheating.
No, I wanna get these wood. Let's set these fire in case I drown and shit.
Don't go in the water.
No. I want the rest of this wood. Give me some.
I have. You took most of it anyway.
Let me fly.
No. Kanan, don't.
Why can't I fly?
Because that's creative mode, not survival.
Oh, we can still do it in this. Make this one like a triple awesome.
That's what I'm doing in another one.
Do it in this one as well.
No, because that's cheating, and this one was meant to be for me and my sister. Yeah.
Please?
No.
I want to fly.
We can do it in a different one. Like, we can start a new one.
Let's do that this time.
We'll quickly finish this. I'm gonna see how much minutes we've gone for. Okay, just go for 3 more minutes. Yeah, so I was collecting a lot of pigs, killed them a lot, and got lots of meat. We don't need that because we're on peaceful. Because he's still a beginner, and my sister's still a beginner, so See, I'm not a beginner. He doesn't have the full version yet. So that'll be pretty good when we do that. I think this is going to be episode 4. Yeah, 4. My task to do this, like my goal, is to kill all the trees at the end and find all the diamonds and all of that. So yeah. Okay.
What are the plants at?
Okay, we'll just stop it now, yeah? And we'll start like a creative mode one.